Madhu from Hyderabad.
Okay.
I'm doing business.
Okay.
Before Corona, I don't know how to speak English. In the Corona time only, I learned.
Oh, I see.
That's
That's
why. Actually, I wanted to speak English in last 12 years back. I wanted to speak English, but I didn't speak. Corona given time, in this Corona time, I learned and spoken so many persons. I spent some time. That's why now I'm able to speak English. Now I'm able to teach English.
okay. That's great. Like you can teach English, you can learn English. Okay. Like
Yeah.
right, have an environment. So how do you teach in front of student over there?
Yeah, actually, do you know every day I take 4 hours continuous class
Okay, four,
in
4 hours.
in front of students. Two batches I have 4 hours. Totally 8 hours I take class every day.
So what subject you try to teach in front of? What subject?
English only, English only,
Okay, English only.
only English only. And that's why I'm learn. I also learn. They also learn. We both are try to speak English. Do you know in my classroom we don't use pen and paper.
Okay, oh my God.
We don't
Okay,
use in that 4 hours. We don't use any pen paper. Just we have to practice tongue English only.
oh my God, this is perfect to learning English language.
Yeah,
Seriously, I
I
mean,
don't use any grammar.
first time I'm hearing someone talk about like we do not prefer to pen and paper. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
yeah. if
You
anybody
manage.
bring, if anybody bring any pen paper, immediately I remove.
Okay.
I throw out. Totally in speak English and practice English and tongue English only. Tongue muscle memory.
Okay.
1:1, 1:2, 1:3, 1:5, 1:10.
Oh, I see. This is interesting, sir. Seriously, I appreciate you are doing great. Without pen and paper, you are trying to teach in front of a student. This is great technique. So, by the way, what's your instrument? Like, do you have any project? Do you have any video and any books? How to teach? Like, how to
No, no, no.
bring?
I don't have any books. I don't have any videos. I don't have any books, any material. What did I learn? I teach them that only.
Okay. So, sir, can you give me?
Do you know? In the short time when I was joined in Vishnu Bharadwaj group, in that time in the Corona time, actually I was speaking somebody every day 10 to 12 hours.
Okay.
Within the 20 days, I'm able to speak English.
Oh, I see. Within the 20 days. Oh my God.
Within the 20 days, I'm able to speak English because I was speaking somebody every day 10 to 12 hours every day.
Oh my God. Oh, that's great.
Continuously in WhatsApp group, I joined in June, July at that time, 2020. June,
Okay.
July I joined. In that time, June, within the 20 days, I'm able to speak English. Then I learned, then I practiced some videos. I seen some videos and listened some videos, some watches, some movies. I watched. I understood. I know at present I know everything grammar part, whatever it knowledge I will give. Do you know before Corona I don't know how to speak in little bit English. I don't know how to speak in little bit Hindi also. Still now I don't know how to speak Hindi, but I know very well speak English. But in between so many mistakes will come, but I don't care.
Okay. I see. So, sir, please tell me, like, suppose I'm your student. I'm your student. So, how will you teach, in front of me? Like, please show me your technique because I want to learn from your side. You have
Yeah,
a good.
yeah, yeah. Why not? Why not? Exactly. You are asking very good question. Suppose first of all I explain to about in pronouns. If you want to learn English, first of all you have to learn about pronouns. What is the pronouns? You don't want any grammar, but pronouns is very very important. Subjective pronouns, adjective pronouns, possession pronouns, and reflexive pronouns.
Okay.
In first person and second person and third person. Who is the speaker is first person. Who is the listener is second person. Who is the topic is third person.
Mhm.
Suppose I and we in the first person. We both are speakers.
Okay.
You is the second person. Is a always listener.
Okay.
They, he, she, it, always topic. Suppose first person speaking with second person, in between topic is they, he or she, it, whatever it in between discussing is in that only. First person and second person and third person. If we are discussing about a third person, what is that about English? English is a third person. If we discuss any person or he or she, that is also third person. If we discuss any plural, students or police, army and politicians and parents and brothers or sisters, whatever, they plural, they are they. That is also third person.
Okay.
First person always ask question to you only. Answer also give you only. I won't ask any third. I won't ask question to direct third person. Just discussion.
Right. Just discussion.
Yeah, I first person discussion with you only. Second person. First person, second person in between discussion only third person topic.
Okay.
Topic, whatever it, which topic is going on, that topic is the third person.
Okay.
Yeah, first of all, we are discussing do or does. When it will use in do or does, in do and does habitual actions. And habitual actions mean in the morning to evening, every day, every week, every month, every year, regularly, commonly, usually, continuously. In that time use in habitual actions. In that time do and does help to them.
Okay.
Do and does. IBU they use in do, he, she, it use in does. At that time verb used to V1 only, V1 and VS form.
Okay.
Suppose we will discuss about in IBU they. Suppose I play cricket every day. If I ask question, do you play cricket every day?
Yeah, my answer will be like yes, I do. I think yes, I do.
I do play cricket every day, or I play cricket every day.
Yes.
Your parents, do your parents play cricket every day? Yes, my parents play cricket every day.
Yeah. Okay.
Why do your parents play cricket every day?
Yeah.
They likes.
Yeah. Yeah.
They likes.
Yes.
Where do your parents do play? Where do you parents play cricket every day? My parents play cricket in the ground.
In a ground.
What time do your parents play cricket every day? My parents play cricket in the evening.
Okay, in the evening. Oh, I see.
With whom do your parents play cricket every day? My parents play cricket with me.
Oh, I see. I mean, sir, you make a one sentence, and that sentence you try to talk about like you try to make a sentence 10 to 20.
Yeah. I go to temple every week. Do you go to temple every week? Why do you go to temple every week? Which temple do you go? How do you go to temple every week? With whom do you go to temple every week?
Oh, I see.
Yeah. My parents go to temple every week.
Okay.
Do your parents go to temple every week?
Yes.
Don't your parents go to college every week? Why don't your parents go to college every week?
Okay. So, sir, all sentences, I think I'm not wrong. All sentences come to the, if you talk about which sense, so present indefinite tense, I think. Am I right? This all
present. Actually, positive interrogative. Positive interrogative mean, do you play cricket every day? This is a positive interrogative.
okay.
Don't you play tennis every day? This is negative interrogative.
Oh, I see. Okay.
If I want to speak English, first of all we have to improve how to ask question.
Oh.
Do you know in English two types questions, yes or no question and WH question?
Yes. Yeah.
WH question is very dead easy, but yes or no question is some little bit tough.
Yeah,
When you will understand, automatically will speak well English.
Yes, right. So, sir, seriously, your teaching, your teaching is like different, outstanding. It's mind blowing, sir.
Yeah,
And
different style.
we learn, in a short period because you are trying to make a one sentence and discuss about 20 to 30. You try
30,
to
yeah,
make,
yeah.
this is benefit for student and who are learning English language. Seriously, those
Yeah.
people shouldn't even forget about your technique, because your technique is like amazing. I appreciate you, sir. Seriously, I'm
Yeah.
impressed. I'm thinking like future
Yeah,
time
I'm telling you one thing, and same one, listen to me. Do you play cricket every day? Yes, I play cricket every day. Do you play tennis every day? No, I don't play tennis every day. Don't you play tennis every day? Yes, I don't play tennis every day. Do you play cricket every day? No, no, I play cricket every day. In a positive interrogative and negative interrogative and answer also, yes or no answers also total will come. Automatically will understand. Not only cricket, every verb we will change. First of all, we have to understanding. That's why we have to use only play, play, play.
yes.
Whatever it one word, go, play like that.
Yes, yes. Sir, like how did you command for English? I mean, how did you command for grammar part? Because you have a lots of knowledge about. So, sir, can you share with me about?
First of all, we don't want any grammar. First of all, what do you know? You have to speak. Wrong or right? Continuously, wrong or right? When actually nowadays everybody who is a completed in graduation or intermediate and 10th also, everybody know 500 to 1000 verbs, 500 to 1000 nouns, but we don't use. When will you use in continuously verbs and nouns, whatever wrong or right? First of all, we have to habit at that words. We don't learn new words. We don't learn new subject. First of all, which subject do you know? Which words do you know? That words we have to habit. When will you habit? You automatically will speak.
Okay.
You don't fear this is wrong or right. You do correct or wrong. You don't think like that.
Okay.
Nowadays everybody know very well English, but fear inside fear, lot of fear. That's why nobody speak.
Yeah, like
Do you know all of them don't speak? Hey, come on, where are you going? Sit here, sit here. You don't use in mother tongue use.
yes, yes,
First of all, we have to stop our mother tongue.
yes,
Wrong or right, whatever it we have to. How many words we know, we have to habit our tongue.
yeah,
Muscle memory, tongue muscle memory. Tongue muscle memory mean like a driving, like a swimming, like a mother tongue language. If you speak in any mother tongue language, we don't you arrange the letter. We don't arrange letter and don't speak. Can automatically will come because the mother tongue is a muscle memory, tongue muscle memory.
yeah. It must have,
Whatever the word you have to speak in again and again, automatically it will be mother tongue muscle memory. Muscle memory.
yes,
It will register muscle memory. When it will muscle memory, automatically will come words.
yeah, right, right. Because we try to make a habit, and whenever you make a habit,
Yeah. When it will register in the when it will register in the tongue muscle memory, automatically it will be mother tongue.
yes,
Like that. Everybody will speak easy. We don't try to more words. You don't read, don't listen. First of all, which words do you know? You try to speak. You try to habit. You try to explain to them somebody. Then after automatically your mind is searching new words. If you want any sentence, any topic, any question, if in your mind started to question, automatically answer will come. Without question, answer not useful.
yeah, right, right, right. Automatically, first thing it's very important. Everyone know that like how to be speak, and everyone know about English. But if you talk about like they think about fear, they always confused. They scared about talking.
Yeah,
Like we have to destroy our hesitation. If we try to tell in regular basis like hi, hello, how are you, but English language, automatically we will learn without any word, without any grammar part. We can learn casual, we can learn a daily basis.
yeah.
I'm impressed with you. One thing seriously, I'm talking about honesty. for technical session, sir. I'm taking your time. I know I want to talk with you again and again. And so from your side, like put the text how to take up more questions.
Thank you.
Thank you, seriously, it's amazing. This is good technique. Like without pen and paper, your teaching is great in front of the student. This is great technique, sir. I love it.
Okay. Today evening I will call back.
Okay, so no problem, sir. Thank you very much for connecting with me, and bye bye. See you.